Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good evening to everyone. Today I'm taking you through truncations and wildcards. Allow me go to my presentation straight away. So here is our presentation for truncations and wildcards. As you can see, the truncation is the shortening. The truncation is shortening a word to its root and adding a symbol to find all possible endings of that word. For example, we have educate, like with the star on top, child with the star on top, which is education or educational, educate and children, childhood and what respectively. So allow me demonstrate this. We can simply go to, let's go to our Google Chrome. So here we are. So I'm going to put here educate as a truncation. Then we see what Google can give us. So as you can see here, educate with the star as a truncation search term is databases and search engines acts as a wide card, allowing you to find multiple varieties of a root word in a single search. So as you can see, here are some of the words you can get from educate with the star. On top we have educate, we have education, educating, educated, education. As you can see, this is about truncations. Yeah, thank you so much. Allow me go back to my presentation. So this is for truncations. Then wild cards, this replace one or more letters inside or at the end of what word. For example, we have woman, but here we have a question mark, then a question mark. Organization also the question mark, which is woman or women or organization what respectively. Allow me demonstrate that also through what? Through our Google. So we shall just come here and type. We are going to type woman with a question mark. Yeah, with a question mark. Then N as a wild wildcards. Let's see what we get. Yeah, so this is what it has given us. Using whom with a question mark as the search query is a common card technique designed to broaden a search by covering variant spellings, specifically finding both woman, singular, or women, plural. It works as a symbol. The question mark represents a single character, which is the wild card. Basically, this is what we can get. You can get woman, women, and sometimes a lot of other words. Yeah, thank you so much. Allow me to take you back to my presentation. So when to use truncations and wild cards? Truncations use when a word has many endings, when you want to broaden your search, and when you are unsure of the exact word form. Then wild cards are used when there is a different spelling, when you are unsure of the spelling, and when words are internal variations. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe and wait for more useful videos on how to use on computer literacy. Yeah, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much. And I've come to the end of my watch. YouTube video about truncations and wildcards.